So I was telling you about culturable wasteland. Culturable wasteland is that category of land where a land is suitable for agriculture. It is fertile. It has all the facilities which can start the agriculture in that area, but we are not using it for cultivation. So it's very sad actually. If we have agricultural land in the country, we have fertile land and we can't use it for agriculture purposes. Okay, so it becomes culturable wasteland. Sometimes because of lack of water, salinity, because of alkalinity of the soil, soil erosion, water logging, these kind of problems, and sometimes because of human neglect. You know, in Punjab and Haryana, most of the farmers have sold their land and they have gone to other countries, and nobody is taking care of their land. So their land is becoming barren because nobody is taking care. Now you see, young generation is not interested in doing farming. So farmer's son not necessarily interested in doing farming, and farmer has gone old and he doesn't want to do farming. This is how a land which is with the farmer, which is held with the farmer, will not be used for agriculture purposes. This is called as human neglect. So human beings sometimes are not ready to use. My father also has very large agricultural land and he is not able to do it because workers are not coming during COVID time, and laborers are not available nearby. As a result, he has left his land uncultivated this year. So what I feel is it's very sad situation that we have country's resource and we are not able to use the resource the way country wants. Just imagine if all the farmers are well off, they have agricultural land, and they say that no, we don't want to work in the field, it is very time consuming and we don't get much profit. Our kids are in Canada and other countries and they are sending us money. Why do we work hard? So in that case, the country will not get food grains. So it is country's resource and it should be used for agriculture purposes. This kind of land which is suitable for agriculture but it's not used for agriculture for physical and human reasons is called as culturable wasteland. What is a fallow land? The land which is not used for agriculture purposes for one particular period is called as fallow land. Sometimes farmers leave the land fallow because they want to regain the fertility of the soil. Sometimes we have a kitchen garden and we feel that we keep growing something on it. Let's leave it for some time. You know, land regains its fertility by its own through natural factors, by rain, by thunder, by organisms living in it. So land is left fallow. Fallow is again uncultivated land, but this uncultivated land is left fallow for some reason, maybe to regain the fertility. Sometimes a farmer leaves the land fallow for a longer period of time. So if the land is left fallow for a shorter period of time, it is called as just fallow land. But if a land is left fallow for more than 5 years, it is called as culturable wasteland. It goes into the previous category that we have studied. So farmer is not growing this year, farmer is not growing next year also, and then he decided to not to grow at all on this for continuously for 5 years. Farmer is not growing anything on the field. It will be called as culturable wasteland. Okay, so now we talk about quality of cultivable land. The land which is used for cultivation, I told you, in India is very high, and this is the next topic which I'll teach you later. So for today, land use pattern of India is enough for you to understand. I hope you've understood it. Here I want you to see this diagram for a comparative use. I'll give you some question on it. This is 1950-51, this is 2011 and 12. In 1950-51, India had 42% of land under agriculture, which is net sown area. In 2011 and 12, it has increased to 46%. So agriculture area in India has increased. It's a positive sign or negative sign? It's a positive sign. Which has decreased then? Fallow land has decreased. That is good sign. Fallow land was the land which was not used for agriculture purposes. It was 10% earlier, now it has gone to 7%. So it's good, fallow land should not be there at all. Then 14% was forest area, and now it has increased to 22.89%. It's a positive thing or it's a negative thing? It's again a very positive sign, but we have to increase it to 33%. It's still not up to the mark. We should have it as 33%. Next category is not available for cultivation, and this is quite okay because this land is either wasteland or it is used for commercial purposes, for making roads, houses, factories. It is decreased, that means we are using wasteland also for construction purposes. Recently government has started giving land to the people for making industries in waste areas. Go make your industries in wasteland, not here on agricultural land. This is pastures and tree crops, which were very big earlier, 9%. Now it has gone to 3.37%. Not a good sign. We should have good pastures and tree crops to support our cattle population. Then this is cultivable wasteland. This is the agricultural land which is not used, 8%, and now it is 4%. It's also a good sign that our cultivable wasteland is decreasing. Okay, so this is the land use pattern of the country. I hope you have understood it. There are a few questions which I'll be giving you to do at the end, and I hope we will be able to solve it, and we'll be discussing it later in our online class. Have a lovely day.